So in this easel tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a border into a design here on easel. So once you have easel open up on your device, what I want you to do is first and foremost go into the right hand side of your screen, go to the elements section right here and press on elements. Then once you're here, go to where it says borders right here, right below banners, right above letters, press on borders. Now what this is going to do is actually show you a whole bunch of different borders that you can use either for your design, for images, whatever the case may be. So for example, if you wanted this border right here of, let's just say this red border right here, what you can do is just make this border, the entire width and the entire dimensions, I guess, of your design, just like that. And once that is done, there you go. You've now added a border into your design here on easel. So fairly straightforward, but that is how you guys can add a border to a design on easel. Thanks again for watching and hope this video helps.